Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is of course a new year 2018, and I will be posting this video every first of the month to let everybody know the dates and times of all the shows that we do, radio shows, tech shows, insider shows, and there's a few changes, so take note of that, as there are a few changes coming. So first of all, it's the shortwave radio shows. They are as follows for January: Friday, January 5th, Friday, January 12th, Saturday, January 13th, Friday, January 19th, and Saturday, January 27th, and they are at 2000 hours UTC. So just put that down on your calendar. And by the way, if you don't know where that is, all the channels that I will be mentioning in this video are in the link in the description below the video, so you can click the link and just go to that channel and see what it looks like if it's of interest to you. Then the live tech show, and this is a change, guys. I will be moving the insider show to Tuesdays. So starting this month and starting this month, we will be every Tuesdays, except tomorrow. Tomorrow there will not be any insider shows because we're close to the first of the year. But starting next week, every Tuesdays, 2000 hours UTC, we have a tech show, which of course consists of tech news and of answering questions. And we are moving the insider show to 2200 hours UTC on Tuesdays also, but on the insider channel. We're keeping it on the insider channel. So we are going to have two shows in the same day on Tuesdays. We're bringing that back to that time frame, so that I can have more time on Thursdays to do other things if needed. And one new addition to the live shows is the VHF UHF or 30 megahertz and above satellite / police scanner radio show. Every last Friday of the month, I will have a satellite or VHF UHF radio show. We'll talk about scanner radios. We'll talk about all sorts of what's happening above 30 megahertz. And so for this month, for January, will be Friday, January 26th, 2018 at 2100 hours UT. And this will be, of course, the last Friday of the month all the time. And remember, it has a time change compared to the other shows. It's 2100 UT instead of 20, for giving me, well, it will give me a possibility of a little more time on Fridays also. So that's the live shows. If you are curious as to see what are the other live shows that maybe you've not even known that they exist, you can look at the channel by clicking the link in the description below the video for every channel. And who knows, you might find something of interest to you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.